Hi, I'm Kobe Marinko. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Robotics. So basically we are developing radar, as you earlier saw. Radar is the only technology in the car that can actually work 100% of the time in any weather, any time of the day, and to detect any obstacle that is available on the road. When we started the company, the vision was to build something that will allow any robot or a car to navigate autonomously. And our solution is also fits to other industries, but of course, robocar is the most complicated problem. So we developed our technology on a chipset of 3 chips. It's a transmitter chip, receiver chip, and our dedicated radar processing unit that enables us to do 1.5 terabit per second of processing. Our technology was the first in the world to actually show a ultra high resolution radar in the world. We estimate that our advanced technology is 2 years ahead of the market. Our product basically trying to offer the operators of the cars, the manufacturers of the car, the ability to move from trials, where this is how the baggage of the car looks like, to something that is going to be in a full production. So in order to do that, there is a sensor that must work 100% of the time, and radar is the only one who supports this. There is a need for a dramatic reduction in the processing power, which is our processor is bringing, and there is a need to reduce dramatically the price of the sensors of the car. Earlier you heard about a radar in $5,000. This is not something that any car can support. Our radar costs more than $150 to the OEM, to the car manufacturers. The market of radars is already exists. There is radars in the car with a very low resolution. Basically, the radars that exist in the car cannot distinguish between anyone that is sitting in this room. You will all see as a one dot on this radar, and we are bringing a radar that can actually separate the human beings from the trees, from the cars, from the motorcycles behind it. So it's a market that already exists today of $2.5 billion, and it's going to grow to around $12 billion in the coming years. The team in the company is coming from radar processing, from signal processing, and from RF chip manufacturing. You cannot see the entire team here, but we are 45 people, among them people with more than 30 years of experience in radar and in RF components. We already hired someone in China to manage our business development activity, and he's sitting in Beijing. We are a 2.5 years old company, 45 team members, 5 of them PhDs. 10 provisional patents are supporting our technology, from the design of the antenna to the RF chipset, processing and post-processing. We raised till now around $13 million in the last round. The last one was led by Maniv Capital, an Israeli fund that is dedicated to automotive. We have a working product on a car, and 7 customers already ordered this first version of the product. We're going to be in a mass production by the end of this year.